Hi, everyone. Let's discuss how to utilize the built-in DSP features of the microprocessor, replacing conventional analog devices to achieve more flexible and controllable signal processing. In traditional circuit design, we often use analog components or DSP chips to implement signal processing. However, as application requirements become more complex, the demand for parameter flexibility increases. These devices are beginning to become outdated. Modern microprocessors, in particular, models like the Cortex-M4, M7, M33, and M55, on-chip DSP instruction set. It enables efficient execution of operations, like convolution, filtering, and Fourier transforms. The Cortex-M0M3, being simple, is ideal for basic control applications. Without a DSP instruction set, its processing power is constrained. The Cortex-M for M7 tier, it offers both a DSP instruction set and an FPU, well suited for applications including audio processing, motor control, and digital filtering.
Regarding the Cortex-M33, M55, it signifies high performance, supports the Helium MVE vector extension, ideal for AI edge computing, image processing, and more. AIM's official CMSI DSP library offers a wide range of optimized functions for IA, FFT, PID, etc. The functions can be called directly, without having to implement complex algorithms manually. If there is a high demand for performance, it is compatible with high-performance MCS featuring Cordic and FMSC, such as the SD-M3 to GIFA, U5 and H7, capable of greatly accelerating DSP operations like trigonometric functions, vector multiplication, and IA filtering.